I want to create a birthday card for my niece. So I go onto Google Chrome, then I type the following in the top: greetingsisland.com/cards/birthday. I see that there are two options here, folded and flat. I'm going to choose flat. I scroll down and I see that there are different types of birthday cards that I can choose from. I notice that there's one that says premium. You will have to pay for those cards to use them. There are plenty of free options, so we're just going to choose a free option. I see that there are numbers at the bottom of the screen. Those are basically more options that we can look at when we click on those numbers. So I'm going to click on number 2 and see what other options I can get. Sign up to our newsletter and stand a chance to win one of 3 prizes: 1 year hosting and domain registration, logo design, or flyer design. Ooh, I like this card. This butterfly sweetheart card. I think I'm going to choose that one. Now I'm pressing the customize button. I want to add a photo of my niece. So I click on the add photo section. I choose a picture from my computer, and there it is, a picture of my niece on the birthday card. I want to edit the picture of my niece, so I click on the magic wand tool at the top corner, and then I want to see how it looks like when I rotate the picture. Maybe make the picture bigger, maybe add a filter. I really like this low-mo option, so I'm going to choose that option. Let's change the positioning of the main image. Hold down on the left mouse button and move the image around until it's at the perfect position. Then let go of the button once you're very happy with the position. The picture looks much better now. I want to change the name of the birthday card to something else. I click on the text box and then I type in the name of my niece. Her name is Tatiana. I'm very happy with that, so I press done. I want to say who the card is from, so I click on the add text symbol on top. Then I type in from Uncle Richard. I want to move this text box. I click on the edge of the text box. I hold down my left mouse button, move the text box down to the bottom, then let go of my left mouse button. Let's add some more pictures to this birthday card. Click on the add sticker symbol on top. You will see that there are different types of stickers when you click on the drop down. There's ones for babies, for birthdays, for holidays. I'm going to stick to the birthdays option. I really like this gift box sticker. I think it makes sense with the whole card, so I choose that option. Now let's move this sticker to another place on the card. So I move my mouse over the sticker, hold down my left mouse button, move the sticker to a place that I like it, then let go of my left mouse button. I'm thinking about adding another picture of Sophia on this card. So I click on the add sticker symbol on top. I click on the section that says add logo or image. Then I choose my image. This picture looks a bit small. So we hover over the image, we hold down our left mouse button on one of the corners of the image, and then we make it bigger and smaller to whatever size we want. This photo is unnecessary and doesn't look nice. I want to remove it. Now hover over the image again, and then click on the dustbin icon to delete the image. This birthday card looks really good. I think I'm going to press next. I'm going to choose the download option. Now I'm going to press the download button. I see that there's a pop-up that shows up at the bottom of the screen. It says my card. I click on the arrow and then I click on the show in folder option. I double click on the my card picture. Oh cool, there's the birthday card I made. Contact Hard Drive Web Cafe for fast internet, computer repair and printing at 011-425-6771 or at support@harddrive.co.za.